What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So about a month ago, I decided to pull off my original screen protector off my Galaxy Z Fold 2 and install a third-party screen protector. Now, I was hesitant to do this, and after I made the video, a lot of you guys left comments and questions about the screen protector that I put on this device. Now, it's been about a month now, and it's time for me to give you guys a follow-up video on me taking off the original screen protector on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and installing the third-party screen protector. So let me go ahead and give you my thoughts about this. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the most expensive device that's out there, $2,000 and Samsung give you all kinds of disclaimers telling you do not take off the screen protector, telling you don't put a screen protector on top of a screen protector and stuff like that. Well, this is your device, right? You can pretty much do whatever you want to do. Now, some of the questions came out. Do you void your warranty by taking off the screen protector? Remember, the screen protector is considered an accessory. So you do not void your warranty taking off an accessory that's been put on your device. So that's one thing. The second thing is that if you pull off the screen protector, just make sure you pull off the top part, not the whole screen. That's the second thing I want to explain. And the third thing is that people was hitting me in the comments and say I installed it incorrectly. Now, I have installed dozens of screen protectors. I've made videos about screen protectors and stuff like that. Look, I did not follow directions as stated on the screen protector itself. A lot of you guys let me know about it in the comments. But since I have installed screen protectors pretty much all my life on devices, I didn't have to follow directions, right? But a lot of you guys saw the device, y'all saw the bubbles and everything. And here is a follow-up of that a month later. Now, here's the device. I'm gonna turn the screen off. Here it is. A month later, as you can see, the cover display is bubble-free, no damages. And we talk about, I've been using this device as my daily driver. So as you can see, no bubbles. Here it is, as you can see, boom. You don't see no bubbles. And I installed the back plate. As you can see, no bubbles. It looks really good. And let's look at the inner display. Okay. And the inner display is, let me turn that off. And it's a little dirty. Let me see if I could get a cloth. I do have some comments about the inner display. All right. But I want y'all guys to see this. The inner display right here, as you can see, no damages at all. Now, I do still have a few bubbles, just 1 or 2 bubbles right here. All right, that didn't go away, but look at it, clean as a whistle. Beautiful, beautiful. So me having this device, changing the screen protector for about a month now. As you can see, I've been using it as my daily driver. And as I've been using it as my daily driver, it's been flawless. So one of the things that you do have to do when installing this matte screen protector is that you do have to pump up the brightness a little higher than usual. And that's what I had to do here. As you can see, no problems, no dead pixels, no damage to the display. I've been using this matte screen protector on my device for a month. And as you can see, no damages at all on the device. So this is proof positive that it works. Okay. Now, when I installed this screen protector, it was full of bubbles. A lot of y'all guys hit me in the comments again, and y'all express that I installed it incorrectly. Because it's 3 parts. The way you have to install it, you have to put it on the display, take one part off and take the other part off and lay it like that. But you're still gonna have a ton of bubbles either way. This matte screen protector is really weird. This is the first time I've ever had a screen protector where the bubbles disappear in a few days. If you ever get the screen protector, do not be alarmed if you have 20, 30, 40 bubbles in your display. I would recommend just let it sit and I would just work the bubbles out. That's what I was doing. I just took kind of the back of my nail every now and then, and I just rubbed the display where the parts, where the bubbles was. And by me doing that, after a while, the bubbles went away. So as you can see, turning on the display, you don't have no issues. Turning off the display, it looks good. Kind of get some light in there so y'all guys can see that. All right. So I wanted to give you guys a follow-up video, answer some of you guys' questions that you had on the video. Does it void the warranty? This is considered an accessory, so it doesn't void the warranty. Don't be scared to pull it off and install the new screen protector. Now, I would advise, I will leave the link to this screen protector down in the comments below. It comes in a big package like this. It says Glass Screen Pro, but it's not a glass screen protector, obviously. I will leave the link down here. It's always out of stock because a lot of people buy them, but I will leave this link down in the description below if you want to pick it up. But this is my follow-up video on the screen protector I installed a month ago using the Galaxy Z Fold 2 as my daily driver, and the screen is immaculate. No issues, no problems. Now I do have a few bubbles right in the middle, but once you turn on the display, everything looks clean, looks good, no problems. This is Eric, the Tech Preacher. See you guys on the next video. Peace.